Well, looking at the description in the video, you might be thinking, why should I take the vaccine? But I would say stay tuned to the entire video and see exactly why this vaccine is very important for you. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Mumbaikar Boy. Today is a very special day. Of course, you've read it in the description and you've heard my disclaimer as well. Yes, it is the day that I'm going to get my first shot. I was actually scheduled to get my shot in the mid of June, but I gave it up for some reason that was very close to me. But today I decided that yes, it is time for me also to get the shot and be a responsible person. So yes, this is my journey, and I'm going to go ahead and tell you what exactly how I feel and how this shot was for me and what were the precautions that I took, what did I do, and trust me, I'm going to give you all my honest opinions. Stay tuned. So my sister was literally behind me to get this shot, and she was every day checking if we could get these slots. And lucky, she was very lucky yesterday in the first go when she went into the CoWIN website. She could actually get this slot, and to my luck, this slot, the center that I've got is very close. It's very close to where I stay. Not like how she had to go to Nerul to get her shot done, but she wanted her shot done because she's from the entertainment industry, and getting her shot was very, very important. So that's the reason she had to travel far. But for me, it's just 5-10 minutes drive from home. So I've just given Amul's bike to Rohit to actually get a few things done because Amul's bike has to go into passing. I'm in the rickshaw right now because Surya Hospital is very close, so that's the reason I've hopped into a rickshaw. But till then, actually, they can get the bike work done because the passing is much more important. So we have to fill this form over here. They've also given me a token number is 207. They asked me to fill the form. You've seen the price of the COVID shield, it's just 700 something. I need to fill this form now. I've actually come to the petrol pump. There's a PUC guy who's actually given me a pen to write the form. That's where I'm actually filling the form. So this was the guy who helped me with the pen, and we have actually finished filling the COVID form, and that is Surya Hospital right there. Thank you, bye. So as I showed you earlier as well, that's the cost of the Covishield vaccine, 780 per dose. Vaccine के लिए किधर है? किधर से गई -1? The setup at Surya Hospital was very well done. It was very clean and very well organized. I was early. I had 11 to 1 p.m. slot and I was at 11:15. And it made sense when I listened to my sister. There was not much people. I just had to pay and go directly for my shot.
एक साथ दोनों को लेना कुछ भी लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं लगाना है। इधर बैठते हैं हेलमेट नीचे रख उधर नीचे कोविशील्ड पहला डोज दे इंजेक्शन देने के बाद रब मसाज नहीं करना है ना एक्सरे के गर्म पानी कुछ लगाना नहीं है। ओके हो गया जवाब देखो हाँ। अगर आपको अगर फीवर आया तो अगर
So I finally got my first dose. It took hardly 5 minutes actually because I was inside at 11:10 and by 11:15 it was done. It just took hardly 5 minutes. And now I've been asked to wait for half an hour to just see if there are any after effects or not. So I'm finally done. It took at least half an hour. I was done within half an hour, 45 minutes. And there's nothing happening to me right now. I was feeling a little hot. It's only because there was no fans over there. Otherwise, I'm all fit and ready to go home. As of now, I do not feel any pain. There's no pain at all. And let's see. My sister didn't have any after effects, to be very honest. Her hand was slightly paining, but not that much. And she didn't have any fever and all because she had taken precautions. So the crocin tablet is after lunch and after dinner as well. I'm going to take to avoid any feverish situations and to be on the safer side. They say no, precaution is better than cure. So that's what we're going to do. Hi, honey. Hi, Hana Munnu. Hi, Hana Munnu. So we have passed 3 hours since I've taken the COVID shot. It's time to have some lunch. My mom made some chicken shakuti. So we're going to have that, and post which, as my sister said, I'm going to have the crocin tablet just for precaution. Till now nothing has happened, nothing is wrong. I just feel that my left arm where the shot was given on the topmost where we take our vaccines when we are small is basically a little heavy, but apart from that I don't feel pain or nothing. So till now, so far so good. Just had my crocin and it's time for me to take a small power nap. It's not because I'm not feeling well, it's just that I'm used to taking a power nap in the afternoons nowadays. So I'm going to take my power nap. I'm all fine. My parents don't want me to go out, but I want to go out and meet my friends. But let's take one day at a time. Let's see how I feel today, and tomorrow I'll be back to riding. So I had a good evening sleep and I just woke up. Not just woke up, I woke up at 6:30 and now it is approximately 8:45. I had a beautiful hot bath shower, and trust me, I have no side effects of the Covishield vaccine. It is also mentally, you know, when you feel that you will have an aftermath and all, you have it mentally or psychologically, you have it in your mind, it might happen to you. But as I said, in the afternoon I took the crocin tablet. So am I going to do now, once I have my dinner, approximately at around 10:30, I will have the crocin again, and tomorrow I should be fit. But nevertheless, I'm going to rest one more day, just in case. I don't want it to be a hit back to me. So till then, yes, I'm all fit and fine, and I got another day to go. What's up, people? I hope you're doing well. Yes, you might be worried as to what exactly happened to me, and today is the second day. I didn't want to come up in the morning and tell you that I'm feeling well or I'm not feeling well, because then in the evening I will not be sure how actually I'm feeling. So yes, I got this dose is only because of my sister. She was behind me to get this dose, and she was the one who went onto the CoWIN app and actually got it the slot booked as well. Now to tell you how I feel is, I feel really fine. I was a little bit lazy today. My pain is gone. There's a little pain that is still there, but I was a little lazy today morning to get up. Of course, I was watching the match yesterday night till 4 o'clock in the morning. People said you should have slept early, but I wanted to watch the semi-finals. And today also there's a semi-final match. But nevertheless, I'm feeling fine. So there's no after effect of the vaccine. It's only mentally. You should be fit and you should be ready to take the vaccine and, you know, take the crocin tablets. That's exactly what is to the funda for this is take your crocin tablets, that is after your lunch, after your dinner, both the days for 2 days, and you'll be fine like me. So I would say this is about it, about how or the after effects of the Covishield vaccine. I would advise all the viewers, please go take your vaccine, even if you have to pay, because the free slots are not available. So life is precious. That's exactly what me and my sister did as well. We got our shots, we paid for it. We paid just 780 rupees for our shots. Please do take it. This is Mumbaikar Boy saying thank you so much. See you on a next video.